Basi bang. Hah? Balik basi. Dia mana? Balik basi.
To witness the baptism festival along with the people of the holy present here today.
พักซ้ายกันน้องพักซ้ายกัน
Please the spirit of the Indian festival be with you as you witness the celebration. A very good afternoon to everyone. We are very happy to see you. Receive today's blessing. It gave them the human life, where each and everyone muscle strength.
Discussions. This Bonhomi will help in.
I have carried message of goodwill from the state of Assam to our brothers in Meghalaya and more specifically to the brothers and sisters of Jaintia Hills. I convey my lot of good wishes and pray for success of the festival.
There are frequent frictions in the border. There are frequent frictions in the border area.
I don't think so. Everything is settled smoothly.
No, how far is it?
Everything is smooth.
So when is the next level of talks? CM level talks.
I kept on meeting CM and Deputy CM, so channel of discussion is always open. We keep on meeting and there is no friction, and whenever something happens, we resolve that immediately with the spirit of friendship.
What is the BEHDEINKHLAM experience to you, sir? How is the BEHDEINKHLAM for
I'll
you?
come again and I'll also join the festival. I'll also jump in the pond. I'll definitely come.
Mama.